Hey everyone! Are you dreaming of super long, thick, and healthy hair without spending a fortune on expensive products? Today, I'm sharing my ultimate secret, a powerful DIY spray made from onion juice and onion peel water that can transform your hair growth game. This natural remedy is packed with sulfur, antioxidants, and nutrients that strengthen your roots, reduce hair fall, and promote faster growth. Thousands swear by it, and the best part? It's made from stuff you already have in your kitchen. Stick with me step by step. By the end, you'll have your own hair growth spray ready to use. Let's get started. First things first, we're going to peel some fresh onions. I recommend using red onions because they're richer in quercetin, a powerful antioxidant that fights hair damage and boosts collagen for stronger strands. But don't throw away those peels. Onion peels are absolute gold for hair growth. They're loaded with even more quercetin and sulfur than the onion itself, which helps improve blood circulation to your scalp, reduces inflammation, and prevents premature graying. This combo of peel water and juice is unbeatable for extreme length and thickness. Save the peels in a bowl as we go. We'll need peels from about 4 to 5 onions for a good batch. Sulfur in onions stimulates collagen production, essential for hair strength and growth. Quercetin, a powerful antioxidant especially rich in onion peels, reduces oxidative stress that damages hair follicles. Onions also have antimicrobial properties that fight scalp infections and anti-inflammatory effects that soothe irritation, creating the perfect environment for rapid growth. Now, take all those collected onion peels and rinse them thoroughly under running water. This step is super important. Onions grow in soil, so the peels can have dirt, pesticides, or bacteria that we don't want anywhere near our scalp. Wash them well for at least 1 to 2 minutes, rubbing gently to remove any residue. Clean peels mean a pure, safe remedy that won't irritate your skin. Trust me, skipping this could cause issues, so don't rush it. Once they're clean, shake off the excess water. They're ready for the next step. The evidence is strong. A 2002 study on patients with alopecia areata showed that applying crude onion juice twice daily led to hair regrowth in 87% of participants after just 6 weeks, compared to only 13% in the control group. Recent reviews confirm that onion extracts enhance blood flow to follicles, helping hair grow longer and thicker faster. Onion peel water delivers concentrated quercetin and sulfur from the skins, promoting collagen and fighting free radicals. Users report shinier, fuller hair with far less fall. If it works for severe hair loss, imagine what it can do for your everyday growth goals. This isn't temporary fluff. It's long-term, extreme length you can achieve at home. Now let's make onion peel water, the gentle, daily powerhouse that works perfectly alongside the juice. Look at these beautifully washed onion peels, nice and clean. Now, the preparation begins. Grab a medium-sized pot and add all the rinsed peels into it. Next, pour in about 2 to 3 cups of water, enough to fully cover the peels. We'll boil this to extract all those amazing nutrients. But hold on, we're also going to make fresh onion juice to mix in later for double the power. This spray combines the gentle rinse of peel water with the intense boost from pure onion juice. Get excited, this is going to be your new hair growth hero. You'll need peels from 4 to 5 onions, 1 liter of water. Step 1. Thoroughly rinse the peels to remove any dirt. Step 2. Add the peels to a pot with 1 liter of water. Bring to a boil, then simmer for 15 to 20 minutes until the water turns golden brown. While the peels wait, let's make the onion juice. Preparing onion juice is easier than you think, and the results are absolutely transformative. You'll need 2 to 3 fresh red or white onions, a blender or grater, cheesecloth or a fine strainer, optional, honey, lemon juice, or essential oils. Take 2 to 3 of those peeled onions, give them a quick rinse under water to clean the outer layers. Now, grate them finely using a grater. This releases the maximum juice. Be careful with your eyes. Onions can make you tear up. Once grated into a pulp, transfer it to a clean cheesecloth or muslin cloth. Fold the cloth and squeeze tightly over a bowl to extract every drop of juice. You'll get a potent, clear liquid full of sulfur that stimulates hair follicles and promotes rapid growth. This juice alone has helped so many with hair loss. Imagine combining it with the peel water. Store any extra in the fridge, but we're using it fresh today. This powerful DIY spray combines the intense, nutrient-rich properties of fresh onion juice with a gentle, antioxidant-packed onion peel water for synergistic effects that target multiple aspects of hair health. Here's why this duo is so effective for promoting extreme hair growth, strength, and overall vitality. 1. Boosts hair growth and regrowth. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, a key mineral that supports keratin production, the protein that makes up 90% of your hair. Back to the pot. Place it on the stove and bring the water with peels to a boil. Once boiling, lower the heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. You'll see the water turn a beautiful golden color as it absorbs all the goodness. After simmering, turn off the heat and let it cool completely. This might take 30 to 60 minutes. Once cool, strain the liquid through a fine sieve or cheesecloth into a clean bowl or directly into your container. Press the peels to get every last drop. This onion peel water is gentle, nourishing, and perfect for daily use. A 2002 study published in the Journal of Dermatology found that applying crude onion juice twice daily led to significant hair regrowth in 87% of participants with alopecia areata after 6 weeks, far outperforming the control group. Onion peels add concentrated quercetin, which enhances collagen production and stimulates dormant follicles. Together, they create an optimal environment for faster, thicker growth. 2. Reduces hair fall and breakage. Sulfur from the juice strengthens hair shafts from root to tip, while antioxidants in the peels, especially quercetin, fight oxidative stress from free radicals, preventing weakening and thinning. This combination nourishes follicles deeply, reducing shedding and making strands more resilient. 3. Improves scalp health and circulation. Both ingredients have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that combat dandruff, infections, and irritation. Quercetin improves blood flow to the scalp, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to follicles, promoting healthier, stronger growth. The gentle peel water soothes daily, while the juice provides an intensive boost. 4. Adds shine, thickness, and delays graying. The mixture seals cuticles for smoother, shinier hair and may slow premature graying due to high antioxidant levels protecting against aging stressors. 5. Why the combination is superior. Onion juice delivers potent sulfur for direct follicle stimulation, while peel water provides higher concentrations of quercetin for long-term protection and mild daily use. Mixing them balances intensity, juice, with gentleness, peel water, allowing daily application without overwhelming the scalp. Users often report visible improvements in 4 to 8 weeks with consistent use, less fall, new baby hairs, and overall healthier, longer hair naturally. Finally, mix equal parts of your fresh onion juice and strain peel water. Start with about half a cup each for a good spray bottle batch. Stir well to combine the powers. Pour the mixture into a clean spray bottle. Shake before each use. Your DIY onion hair growth spray is ready. Spray it on your scalp daily, massage in, and leave it overnight or for a few hours before washing. Use consistently for amazing results. Less fall, faster growth, and shinier hair. Patch test first, and add a few drops of essential oil if you want to reduce the smell. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment your results below. See you next time.